In this video series, we are going to learn Python step by step via multiple programs building in a live coding environment. One program at a time, one step at a time, one learning at a time. In my almost 20 years of software development experience, what I have learned is every program teaches us something that helps us write better programs in future. With that in mind, I have designed this series in multiple steps, multiple programs that would help us realize different concepts one step at a time, which would help us accelerate our learning towards writing better Python programs. With that, let us get started. Thank you.